Place the 3W floor mat in the driver's seat. Press down firmly on the clips to secure it. Repeat the same steps for the passenger seat. Do the same for the rear seats. Adjust the position so the edges fit snugly. Again, press down firmly on the clips to secure it. Next, place the cargo bed liner in the truck bed. Lay it flat. Adjust the edges to fit properly. Finally, install the cargo tie-downs on the liner. Depending on the size of your cargo, you can freely adjust the spacing.